Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. This is the C320WS, a 2K camera with night vision, right? So here on the back you see some information about the camera. The idea here is the camera can work at nighttime with the Starlight color night vision. You see here some details compared to the competitors. You see that the image here is much better, right? So it has 2K resolution, local and cloud storage. So basically you can use a microSD card with up to 512 gigabytes, or you can record into the cloud. You can connect with wires or wireless, okay? It has person and vehicle detection, sound and light alarm, activity zones, and also it's weatherproof, IP66, which is pretty good, dual power antennas, and two-way audio, right? Let me just open it up so you'll see what's inside. There we go. So it comes here with a quick start guide. Here's the template for the installation. Some more paperwork, and here's the camera itself. Let me just remove it from this plastic. There we go. It's a nice camera. You see, it's a small one comparing here to the size of my hand. Here's the two antennas and the cable, so you can connect here an Ethernet cable. So it's wired, right? If you prefer to connect to your router, and here you can connect to the power supply. Here in front you see the lens and also the light, so you can turn on the lights at night time. And also has an internal microphone, right? Super simple. The installation is also simple, okay? Just put it here and check. Here is the power adapter. So you can just connect this camera to power. Then come also here with some accessories for the installation. This is to protect the cable so you don't get water inside, and also some anchors and screws. And here's some more accessories for installation, so the camera is protected from water, okay? That's all that I have here in the box. So super simple. Everything you need here for the installation. And that's the Tapo C320, okay? You can just install this, start using with the SD card that I have here. A slot for it, and there's also a speaker here on the bottom of the camera, right? So I'm gonna review this camera later, right? Today I'm just doing an unbox. I hope that helps. So leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.